Where is disturbance? Is it outside or inside? You are right. Disturbance is inside, not outside. Where it lies? Disturbance lies in the mind. Not only disturbance, world lies in the mind. If you are very much interested in truth, there will be no disturbance. Outside disturbance is not outside disturbance, it is inside your mind. If you are not interested in truth, which is in our heart, then only you will be disturbed by outside noises. Actually, they are not outside, they are inside. Inside our mind, there is a dream. In that dream, there is a world. In that world, there are so many noises. The mind will treat it as disturbance, but actually, it is the creation of the mind. If there is no mind, there is no disturbance. Suppose you are sleeping, then is it a disturbance? No. Your mind is sleeping. Sleeping means this mind seizes into one point. This mind minimizes into one point, a single point. It is called rest. In that state, it will not notice noises. It will not create any world. Actually, there are so many worlds, For each man there is a world. If you are interested in money, his mind looks into money everywhere. Money world. It is called money world. Suppose you are a devotee of Bhagavan. Everywhere you see devotees. Suppose you are interested in, very much interested in gold. In this world, everywhere you find gold. Not only in the form of necklaces, everywhere. This is only gold. Money world is there for money minded people. Gold world is there for gold minded people. Power world is there. Who wants power? Similarly, for devotees, everywhere they see devotion. In this world, in this whole world, there are so many worlds. Money world and world of disturbances. Interest is of important. If you are very much interested in Bhagavan, then you will hear no noise. Noise is there, but your mind will not receive. The noise is not at all a disturbance to you. When if you are very much interested in Bhagavan's devotion. While alive, if you go deep into your heart, then your body is in the world, but you are not in the world. You are at the center of the heart. You are at the core of the heart. At the core there is no mind. Only existence is there. Only beingness is there. Only Shiva is there. If your mind go outside, you will see Savas, bodies. If your mind goes deep into the center of the heart, at the root of the mind, at the root, mind will be ceases. It has no existence. Mind has no existence at the root. You are at the center. The center is consciousness, not body consciousness. It is consciousness only. Simply presence. You are simply presence. Not the body. No more doubt about the mind, whether it exists or not. There is no mind at all if you go deep. Go beyond the mind. If you see the root of the mind, then you will know there is no mind. Just like in a mirror, there is only sand at the water. When will you find it? If you go nearer, then only you will see sand as sand. If you are very distant, then sand will be seen as water, not as sand.